Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to unlock the secret to supercharging your plant's growth with a simple yet powerful liquid fertilizer. Get ready to boost your plant's health and productivity. Have you ever heard about the surprising benefits of chicken blood for plants? From boosting growth to repelling pests, this unconventional fertilizer is gaining attention among gardeners. Today, we'll explore the uses and benefits of chicken blood liquid fertilizer. To make this natural fertilizer, we'll start by placing chicken pieces in a bowl and we'll add some water. We'll rinse them thoroughly, releasing the nutrients-rich blood. As we rinse, notice the water transforming into a reddish-brown color, indicative of a nutrient-dense blood. After that, we'll carefully pour the chicken blood liquid into a separate container, taking care not to spill any. Next, we'll dilute the concentrated liquid with water to create the perfect fertilizer solution for our houseplants. Adjust the ratio according to your plant's need. And that's it. Our chicken blood liquid fertilizer is now ready to nourish your houseplants. Now let's dive into the amazing benefits of chicken blood liquid fertilizer for your plants. It encourages strong root growth, supporting overall plant's health. It's rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, promoting healthy leaf growth and stunning colors. Micronutrients boost natural defenses, protecting plants from pests and diseases. It also enhances soil porosity, aeration, and water retention. Also help plants withstand water scarcity. Reduces stress from temperature fluctuations. It also increases oxygen production, purifies air pollutants, for example, VOCs and heavy metals. It's cost-effective and eco-friendly. Give your plants a monthly dose of vitality with this powerful fertilizer, ensuring they thrive all the year round. Don't let your houseplants miss out on this natural growth booster. I hope you had a great time checking out my video. Subscribe to my channel for more gardening tips and tricks. And hit that notification bell to stay updated. Thank you.